Alright, welcome back here. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to set up our application, a new application on your Android device, Fly Net VPN application. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend, and in case you get any problem, the comment section is going to be left open. So don't forget to like the tutorial. Please guys, support us by liking this video. First step, open Google Play Store, and then once you open Google Play Store, you're going to search Fly Net VPN, and then once you search Fly Net VPN, you're going to download this application in your device, and then once you finish downloading, you're going to install and then open. So this application does not require any account or login authentication, but it will be providing with the first step on the secure internet access. Now, first step to do, you're going to update the servers. Sorry for any delay. I'm going to start by updating the servers by checking right there, and then give it some few seconds to update. Choose the method of online update, and then after wait for a few seconds. Now keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, and education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, or the community guidelines. Now, after updating the servers, you're going to go where we see the auto select server. But before continuing, make sure that you allow the notification permission, because once you don't allow the notification permission on some devices, not all devices, but on some devices, this application may fail to connect. So you're going to go to your phone settings and then allow the notification permission for this application to be connecting successfully on your device. That is a pro tip. Then go where you see auto select server right there, and then you're going to choose one of those servers, but choose a server either from your country or your country's location, or that is near to your country's location. But if you don't see your country's location or a server near to your country, stay in the auto select server. Now we're going to our last step where you see the Wi-Fi and data. Now you're going to be seeing some of the recommended servers, but I also recommend you to go where you see all country. And then once you go where you see all country, you're going to scroll with a lot of care and patience, looking for your country's server and the network. But I recommend you guys to, if your country supports UDP, I recommend you to be connecting to this one. Let me show it to you. We have the UDP worldwide, this one. Connect to that one, and then give it some few seconds to connect. Now what if it fails to connect? Let me first connect this one. We have just received any update. That is an advert. Give it some few seconds to load, or pause the video and the advert loads. Now as you see, this one, it was connecting on this one. Let me show you a server you're going to be connecting to. Go where you see all country, and then you're going to choose all country UDP, this one. Then connect on that one. Now it will connect successfully. Now these are the adverts, we can't skip them. We can't skip these adverts because the developer gains from these adverts. Now that we can close them. So what if it fails to connect? When it fails to connect, your device has no problem, but maybe you have not followed up the procedures as I was directing, or maybe you need to turn airplane mode on and off. They are all maybes. You can also try to clear the app data, clear the app, cake. And also, if it persists, you can restart the Oro device. That is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I sign out.